In this episode of Harbor Freight Review, we are going to be looking at the battery-operated liquid transfer pump, item number 63847. It is ideal for transferring water, gasoline, or diesel, and can even pump engine oil. The pump is battery-operated for portable use and can pump 1.5 gallons a minute. It is currently listed for $9.99. And as always, there is a coupon in the description.
Today we're talking about the Harbor Freight liquid transfer pump. So you've probably seen something like this before. Looks like this. Looks like a piece of junk. This is a piece of junk. This is what comes in those like cheap roadside assistant kits, and you can pick them up for like $1 or $2, and they don't work. And you and I both know that. So I went out and picked up this one. This is supposed to be able to pump 1.5 gallons a minute, which is 90 gallons an hour. Which you probably shouldn't be pumping 90 gallons an hour with this thing. It's not for emptying out a pool, but it's for transferring like gasoline and kerosene, stuff like that, from one tank to another. Like if you're filling up lawnmowers or like a weed whacker, if you have a 2-in-1 setup or anything like that. So it's really straightforward to use. It takes 2D batteries, not included, but you just put the 2D batteries in here. This goes in the pump, the bucket you're pumping from, and this is your outlet hose. So let's go ahead and take a look at how it works. Okay, so now let's talk about the demonstration. First, we're going to demonstrate the old Busta. So this one, you gotta sit here, and yes, it works, and great for emergencies. I guess that's why it comes in an emergency kit. You gotta sit here and pump it manually to get anything going. And supposedly you can start a siphon with this thing, but I've never been able to. This thing's a piece of junk. That's why you should not buy one. This, however, stick it in the bucket, turn it on, 1.5 gallons a minute, and you're going.
The website and the pump paperwork says that it's supposed to be able to do 6 quarts a minute, which is 1.5 gallons a minute. So in this demonstration, we have a 3-gallon bucket, and we're just going to transfer the whole thing over to an empty 3-gallon bucket and see how long it takes.
So overall, my opinion of this thing, awesome. It saves so much time when you're trying to fill up a gas can on a lawnmower. You know, you got a 5-gallon jug and it's heavy and you're trying to balance it and use those stupid no spill nozzles on them. This thing saves your life every time. Okay, so that was the liquid transfer pump. Now let's talk about something serious. Zombie apocalypse. How is this going to help you in the zombie apocalypse? Well, as a melee weapon, it's probably not going to help you. It's made out of plastic and doesn't really have any sharp edges. So in that case, it's not a really good weapon. However, I thought about this long and hard. If you had a can of gasoline, you could set this up. And I don't know, is this a good shot right here? And then you could be like just pumping gas everywhere, lighting it on fire. And then all the, I know I'm making a mess, all the zombies you just be burning alive. And I've made such a mess that this is now getting silly. Anyway, so because of that, instead of rating it a 0 or 1, I'm going to give it a 3 on the zombie apocalypse for being able to distribute gas onto zombies, which you can then light on fire. And I'm now messy, so go, you just kill that right there. Thank you.
Hey everyone, just want to let you know I'm not affiliated with Harbor Freight and they're not sponsoring me yet. I'm just doing this because I love Harbor Freight and all their tools. I've had lots of great experiences with them, and they're always helpful. The staff is really knowledgeable, and it's really, for the most part, the best bang for your buck. So just want to make it clear, definitely not sponsored yet, Harbor Freight. Call me. And I hope y'all enjoy the videos.